Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, and I'm one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. Most of the time, when people come in to talk about dental implants or full arch restorations, the conversation starts with function, chewing, biting, speaking, or aesthetics, the color, shape, or design of the new teeth. And all of that does matter. But what we don't talk about nearly enough is this, how the new teeth change how you feel about yourself. Today, I want to talk to you about the emotional side of this journey, the part that's just as real, just as important, and just as life-changing as the clinical work we do. Because this process isn't just about the teeth, it's about getting your life back. You've probably seen the before and after photos online, the bright new smile, the polished look, but what you don't see is what happens in between. We've watched patients cry after seeing their temporary smile for the first time, smile in the mirror after decades of hiding their teeth, laugh again in front of family without covering their mouth, rejoin social events, take photos, go on dates, speak in meetings. It's not just a cosmetic change, it's an emotional release. And if you've been struggling with missing teeth, pain, or embarrassment, you know exactly what I'm talking about. When you lose your teeth, you don't just lose function, you often lose a part of your identity. We hear things like, I haven't smiled in years. I avoid social events because I'm ashamed. I used to be outgoing, but now I just stay quiet. I don't even recognize myself in photos anymore. Over time, that starts to affect confidence, self-worth, relationships, and even careers. You stop being the version of yourself that you want to be or that you used to be. And for a lot of patients, dental implants are the key to reversing that. Here's what many people go through in this journey. Anxiety or fear. They're worried about cost, pain, or whether they've gone too far. And this is completely normal, and we will walk you through it at your pace. Hope. After your consultation, most patients realize this is possible, I can do this. And that's when things start to shift mentally. Vulnerability. Seeing your temporaries for the first time can be overwhelming. Some patients cry, some don't know how to react. You're not just seeing teeth, you're seeing yourself again. Confidence. As you get used to your new smile, you start smiling more, eating more freely, and engaging with people in ways you haven't in years. Identity. Once your final teeth are in and your smile feels like home, it's not just about restoration, it's reclamation. We get your personality, presence, and peace of mind back. We've seen it over and over again. At Smile Now, we don't just treat teeth, we treat people. That means we listen to your fears, not just your symptoms. We design your smile with your personality and confidence in mind. We take our time to ensure the results feel like you, not just a perfect set of teeth. You're not getting a factory-made smile. You're getting a new start, designed to look natural, feel comfortable, and reflect who you really are. We've had patients tell us, I laugh more now. I feel like myself again. I didn't realize how much I was holding back. I wish I had done this sooner. These are the outcomes that matter most. Yes, we're proud of the technology. Yes, we're proud of the craftsmanship. But the most meaningful result is how you feel about yourself when you walk out of here. If you've been putting off dental implants, not just because of the procedure, but because of how far gone you feel emotionally, I want you to know you're not too far gone. You're not the only one, and you're not stuck. Please click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. Let's talk, let's plan, and let's help you reclaim the confidence in your life, one step, one smile at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ask questions. Make sure to reach out to us on Instagram and give our office a call if you want to make a change. Thanks so much.